Hello and welcome to Upcycling SOS. Well, we remember this, but when this met it, this is what happened. So the car was written off and yeah, so I had to go and get myself a new one, but because of what's going on at the moment, I couldn't get a brand new car, so instead I got this Peugeot 307 2005 SW. So for all my Volvo viewers, stay with me because I will be getting a new one, but for the time being I'm just going to do some work on this one because it does need a little. So I thought right in the beginning what I'll do, a nice and easy one, is windscreen wipers. They need changing and I'll show you why. So let's go inside the car. Right, so let's see why I need to get these changed. That one isn't clearing it at all. And listen to the noise of that one. So I need to get these changed. So let me show you a quick trick that I saw on the windscreen wipers themselves, because as you can see you can't get up because the bonnet's in the way, and it's the same for the other side. So to remedy this problem, turn the ignition on, turn it off again, push down, and then they come up. That's handy, isn't it? So I've got myself some FW31s from Halfords. I did buy some Bosch ones, but they didn't have the right connection. Now the good thing about the Halfords one is that they come with universal adapters, so there's all kinds of different attachments that you can put on there, so you can switch it and switch over your wiper blades knowing that the right connector will be there, because it was twice I had to go backwards. So the connection I have for mine looks like this. Okay, and then these, but I'll show you that anyway. So let's get out there, change these over. It's not going to be long, and that's that. Just change these over. So let's go outside. Yeah, so what we need for this one, obviously you need to remove the old wiper blade and the new one, and also just for a little bit of added security and safety, get yourself a little rag. So with this one, like I showed you with this, you push in with these clips here, which will then release the notches on the side. It's not very well lit, and then you just pull it up. Okay, so we'll show you in here. Pinch, grab this bar, the actual bar arm itself, and then you just pull back and up. So you see this little nib in there? That goes into that part there. Okay, so you'd put it, look it in, push in, pull and lift. With the bar itself, let's get rid of that one. Get your rag and then place it there just in case it snaps shut while you're picking up your new one. You don't have to do that part, but it's never happened to me, and I don't know who it's happened to, but that's what they all say in the videos. So you can do that if you want to. So the new one in the top, and all you got to do is push, click into place, arm down. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. So up, click, pull, and up, and reverse to put it on. Put the nubbin part in the gap and then push in. Wait for the click, arm down straight away. And I'll do exactly the same for the other one, and then we'll go inside and see if they work. Okay then, so here is the new one. No more noises. And it's done, all nice and clear. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you change this type of connector on the Peugeot 307. Now I'll be doing a few videos quite quickly on this one. So I've done the wipers. I'm going to do the key fob one, how to replace the key fob, and the doors. Now I do have one issue with the car, and that is the tie rods need to be changed, and I've looked online and I can do that myself. So let's do a video on that as well. Why not? Since we're here. So that's the end of this one. This is a really easy and quick one. So if it helps you, well done. So like, if it helped in any way, always subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll use this one, comment on how it went. I'm getting lots of nice comments now. It's really nice. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you again very soon with another video in the Peugeot 307. I haven't got a name for it yet. The Volvo was Helga, Peugeot's French, I think. So I'll think of a French name. Why don't you name her? So reuse, recycle, upcycle. Bye for now.